Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing both devices so they can communicate. First, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging on the phone. This allows ADB access. Next, make sure Android Studio is installed and that platform tools ADB are present. You need the command line utility. Once connected by USB, accept the RSA authorization dialog on the phone so your PC is trusted. Now you have the prerequisite link. Proceed to configure ADB for wireless mode. Now you switch ADB from USB to TCP/IP so you can run apps wirelessly. First, note the phone's IP address from Wi-Fi details. You'll use that to connect. On your PC, run ADB devices to ensure the device is listed, then ADB TCPIP 5555 to tell the phone to listen on port 5555. Once the command returns, disconnect the USB cable. Make sure both devices remain on the same Wi-Fi network. Finally, run ADB Connect IP 5555. Finish by selecting the wireless device in Android Studio and deploy your app as usual. Android Studio treats it like any connected device. If the connection drops, run ADB Disconnect, then ADB Connect IP 5555, or restart the ADB server with a DB kill server and a DB start server. This forces a fresh handshake. Make sure both phone and PC stay on the same Wi-Fi and that battery savers or VPNs aren't blocking traffic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.